Your mother endured more than 57 units of pain to show you the light of this land, which is more than the pain you will feel if 20 bones in your body are broken together in an accident. Allahu Akbar. Allahu, 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 Allah, Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hi everyone, كيف حالكم? I think everyone is super, right? على أي حال دعنا نصل إلى الشيء الحقيقي. Anyway, come to the point. That is what I'd like to discuss today. هذا مهم جدا للجميع. Its significance is very deep and is very important for everyone. Basically, today I'd like to discuss about what is the reason for the highest status of mother. In this regard, Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Al-Jannatu tahta akhdami ummahatikum. Children's paradise under mother's feet. According to medical science, a healthy person can tolerate 45 units of pain. If the pain level is exactly 45 units, then he can bear it. But if the pain level is more than 45 units, then the person will either faint or die. Your mother endured more than 57 units of pain. I repeat, your mother endured more than 57 units of pain to show you the light of this land. Allahu Akbar. Which is more than the pain you will feel if 20 bones in your body are broken together in an accident. Allahu Akbar. One day a companion came to the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam and he asked, Man ahakku bi husni sahabati Rasulullah? With whom do I behave best? Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, with your mother. And who is the next? With your mother. And who is the next? With your mother. And who is the next? With your father. He mentioned mother 3 times and father once. That's why mother's status is higher than father's for 3 reasons. Number 1, hamalathu ummuhu. Your father didn't hold you in the stomach. Your mother held you in the stomach. Number 2, wahanan ala wahan. Burden after burden, pain after pain, the father has not endured for you. Only your mother endured. Number 3, wafisaluhu fi amain. Your father didn't feed you milk for 2 years. Only your mother fed you milk. So, I hope that after hearing this speech today, no one will hurt the mother's heart, especially young generation, because parents' position is next to Allah Rabbul Alameen. Thank you so very much for your time and patience. Jazakallahu khair. Haza ba'indi wal ilmu 'inda Allah, alayhi tawakkaltu wa ilayhi yunib. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.